Good afternoon, guys. Sorry I sound all bunged up. It's because I am. I've got a terrible cold and sore throat and all sorts, but still trying to do an adventure for you. Still muscling through. It's actually 2 in the afternoon. I've been here all day because the rain has been terrible this morning. Really bad. We're in the Midlands of Wales still. We stayed here last night, me and Loz. Really nice environment actually. If you can see around us from the drone, it's very picturesque. But what we're going to do today is about half hour away from here is a waterfall walk that I want to take you on. So hopefully the rain stopped. I've had a look on the old app ski and the rain's meant to hold off now. So I want to try and squeeze it in still today so it's not wasted. So let's get on the road, guys. I'm undecided whether I'm going to talk a lot on this one yet, guys, because I'm feeling under the weather. So just parked up behind me there. The waterfall's actually behind me, but just wanted to come for a little stroll up the stream a little bit, which is on my right hand side. Just because, why not? When you're feeling crappy, sometimes it's better to just get out on it and force yourself to do something that you don't feel up for. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this small adventure today, people. Apologies for not speaking in today's little adventure, but yeah, I feel ropey, guys, so more of a silent hike for you instead. The main thing is I still came out and do it for you, so there you go. And what an epic waterfall it is, right? I mean, look at it. I think we was blessed with a rainfall this morning to make it even more epic. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate your time. And as always, guys, don't forget to get your wag on. Work, adventure, and game. Mike out.